Hello, Jewels. It's your number one Ghana girl, Juju, bringing you awesomeness straight from Ghana. Oh yeah, take it. So today is just a quick unboxing video for this new light that my sugar mommy bought for me. Yes, I have a sugar mommy. This sucker is well packaged, let me tell you that. So this is the box. I'm going to try and open it like a civilized human being. Dear God, let this be good, let this be good, let this be. Oh God, my heart. Okay, so this is the package. I don't know why my heart is beating so fast. Like, I've been wanting one of these since forever, and finally, it's here. Let this be good. Let this be good. So I'm gonna do. Yo, you don't understand why I'm acting this way. I've wanted this for so long. We have the lights. So, and here, the lights come with the light switch and stuff. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Let me just take a moment to appreciate this moment right now. Have you ever wanted something for so long and you couldn't afford it, and finally, I'm chewing gum, sorry, and finally you can afford it and it's suddenly here and like you don't know what to do about it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm describing the feeling very well, but I'm overwhelmed right now, and I just want to say a big thank you to my sugar mommy and my sugar daddy and all the sugar people in my life who have made this moment possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for believing in my dream that sometimes I don't even believe in, and investing in me, investing in. Oh. And there is a light stand. How long can this thing go? I'll demonstrate that a bit later. And then I got a box. It's a gift that came with the package. Jeez, I'm sweating so much. It's a complimentary gift that came with the order, and it's a humidifier. Oh dear God, I hope this thing produces cold, because in Ghana here, do you know what a humidifier is? Neither do I, but I have one and I'm going to use it. Oh, I'm crazy for a promo. This is the light stand in all its glory. I'm going to expand it and see how long it's going to be. It's not that long, but like for a sitting talking video, it's long enough. I think this is like, how many inches? 40 inches long. This, I think, is to hold the head, and then this is to charge it. Yeah, to power it. So let's see how that goes. So I have to take this black thing off the top here. Don't lose it. Going to this goes here. I'm doing the joint. Make sure you get it up there real tight. So I have to connect this to a power source. I need to shoot this real quick because the sun is going down. As you can see from my previous unboxing side of this video, I shot this a long time ago and I didn't finish, so I'm here to finish it quickly. So yeah, this is the light on the stand. I put the light on this thing and I put this thing on the stand. So we are going to test the light and how it looks. These are the other things that came with the lights. Something for this is a controller for what? For iOS and stuff. And it also came with a phone stand and a clamp. It's not adjustable. Oh, this is adjustable. Okay, I didn't get that. Interesting. Okay, I can put my phone here. I can remove this from here. Let me just do that. Get out of the way, lights. You're crossing it yourself. Let me see. And you can put this on this, and I'm going to figure out a way. To put this on this for the, but I need to watch a couple of videos to figure this out, Charlie, because I'm losing daylight. Let me hurry up and put on the slides for y'all. It's USB. I don't know if it's advantageous or not, but so far so good. It's working for me. It comes with this. You can adjust the light here, put it on. Can you even see? You put it on here, you change the light in here, plus minus, to increase or decrease the intensity of the light. You get it. I had an old charger headline around, so I just connect that in there, and I connect that to a source. So we're about to test this baby with the camera. Oops, please. So this is it. I have connected it to the light source, so I'm just going to adjust it to the camera so that it doesn't show on camera. Okay. Is that good? It's good. You can see it. All right. So first light, it is look at me, all yellow. This beach is bright. This is the orange. I think no, this is the mixed blue and debeng, and then this is I'm changing. So I'm going to change the different. I'm going to show the different colors, and then we'll do the. Let me just come forward, Charlie. This is the mixed colors, I think. This is the blue light. Damn, look at my eyes. Okay, and then this is the orange. So eerie. So let's go back to my favorite, which is the mixed. It's like blue and it's like a mixture of the blue and the orange. So I am reducing the light. Reduce all the way down, and then I'm going all the way up. Damn. Yup, all the way up, honey. This is all the way up. That's about it for the lights. I hope this was informative enough, apart from the part where I couldn't figure out how to connect the phone to this, but I'll figure it out if I watch a couple of YouTube videos. I think I'll figure it out. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, do you think you're going to invest in a ring light from Jumia? Let me know in the comments below. Have you invested in a ring light? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope this video was helpful. I really hope. Like, subscribe. You can check out my other content and let me know what you would like to see from me more. Spread positive vibes only. Go forth and be awesome. Juju.